Happy Saturday, everybody. This is Charles the Fabricator here again. Today is not going to involve any sort of welding or fabrication. We're going to be building the engine for this thing. So, wish me luck. I'm going to be on YouTube a lot probably, but got two engines. We're going to combine all the good stuff into one, and hopefully we crank out 18 to 20 horsepower by the time we're done with the mods. So, let's get into that build. First off, disassembly. My goodness. When you don't have a bearing puller and all you have is a hammer and an angle grinder, sometimes you gotta do the dirty work and just go ahead and saw the off of the drive shaft, pull the engine cover. Went ahead and cut the flywheel because I don't care anymore. Just want to get this together. So, probably should have worded that different. Alright, so I got all the parts that I need out of the Honda GX390 that were kind of screwed up with the Predator 420. So I'm hoping that the harmonic balancer fits, we have the right cam size, and we'll figure that out real soon here, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for the engine build video. Next step is getting it started and getting it tuned and running. And just need like $250 for all the drivetrain parts, so stay tuned for that.